Introduction. R. Brown observed irregular motions of very fine particles which came out of pollens floated on water. He put pollens on water where they absorbed sufficient water to be burst into very fine particles. He observed the irregular zigzag motions of these particles using a microscope. He reported that such fine particles come not only out of pollens but also from other substances, and they show similar irregular motions. This irregular motion was called Brownian motion, that is thought to be a rather universal motion seen not only in such a liquid as water but also for a particle of soot in air. It appears to occur because the fine particle is violently colliding with the molecules of the gas or the liquid moving randomly at high speed. This shows that there is motion in liquid and gas molecules. Matter is all around us. Matter is the air you are breathing. Matter is the book you are reading from now. Matter is the stuff you touch and see, and it is more. Matter is defined as anything that has mass and takes up space. Matter is found in three major states: solid, liquid, and gas. So what is matter made of? All matter is made of atoms. Atoms are the smallest particle of matter. They are so small that you cannot see them with your eyes or even with a standard microscope.
Matter is that which has weight and occupies space.